Salsa, or Summer Teeth in English, is unlike any other film at this year's Croatian festival, and that is saying something. It's a wild blend of zombie comedy, political parody, and Dalmatian absurdity that follows Vatroslav, a naive food delivery guy from Slavonia who inadvertently injures his gay colleague and out of guilt agrees to help his colleague's grandmother harvest tomatoes on her island in time for the local Festa od Poma, the tomato festival. But this isn't just a laid-back island visit. What Vatroslav doesn't know is that the grandmother has been using a secret formula, a fertilizer developed by her late husband, a communist-era scientist, which makes the tomatoes grow faster with deadly consequences. When eaten, the tomatoes slowly start turning the locals into zombies. Enter Irena, a quick-witted young dentist who saves Vatroslav from a couple of island thugs and becomes his unexpected sidekick. As the chaos unfolds, together they must face down a growing number of undead islanders in a showdown that's as ridiculous as it is riotous. Now, if you're looking for something slapstick and lighthearted and just the right amount of cheesy, then Salsa or Summer Teeth is the one to watch. It leans fully into its B-movie identity, packed with quirky characters, ridiculous one-liners, and a tomato-fueled apocalypse that you won't soon forget. It's weird, it's wild, and it's guaranteed to leave you laughing. I'm Mariana Rudan from the team at Croatia House, and we can't wait to see you at this year's festival. It's bye for now.